Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
Sir, Electoral Commission at the 1 year mpo. MOB as when you're 18 years metro. Na genuine obi when you're 18 years be actually need ampa. Na yenya nipa bro 17 million. I'll still say that register is fake.
I don't know what I said. We have a
statistics on the round no support.
No, Kofa you can say population source data no. At least so far now we own evaluation we who now say onya 18 million and 17 million we can say that register is fake. I disagree.
More politicians no.
Yes.
Edu baby a ya na mo amunim mo say convo ya no mko efe ndonko kofi onim papa so onye. Munim say asema mo kenhwe. Oman be mu and a total population of 23 million. Na 17
total population 23 million.
Nyabotre. Ude my question is here. Oman be na total population of 23 million. At the time when he register now say na 70 million woman.
Na Ghana
population okay 60.
Yes 70 million.
60 mat. Ode ma menyan 15 granted 15 million. At the time when he population here 23 million. Now you mean that
is it 25 million or 23?
We have never had census for my 25. We have always been 23.3. 23 million and yet 25. Now 23 million.
Ghana.
Yeah. Now 60 million. You believe that
Ghana.
The Nipa 16 million ebro 18 years in a population of 23 million.
Ghana.
What are we saying?
Ghana.
Yes, Alaji.
In counting or conducting the population, population census. Yeah, capture omo tukwan. Omo tukwan. Yeah, capture omo na.
Ubisami.
Maybe so.
Minim.
Onim. So say onim. Yeah registration.
Because my census for no more.
Na obi a sabi o tukwan. Oye juma wo mission. Na oho. And oye juma. And is counted as part of the registered voter. I don't know what I can say. You have
some mission say me na Afarijan dey be call to went to defend no.
There be they say the issue of registration no e wo ho. Na me can say who argue that way no.
Ghana missions o we say nyina akra say.
Omo a ye wo oman no. Na ye kan. Omo a manoni no. Ye kan omo. So say ebia during registration ebi mu aba you cannot then rely on
register omo problem.
There be those are the unique you can say the privileged ones omo you can say embassies you know. But omo ni embassies omo ye juma ewa embassies you know. Sometimes after the population census omo timi ba so during registration nipa no ba it will be difficult for you to rely. That's why they have a certain margin of errors in terms of estimation. So who can now rely only on the 23 million? Now Becca says we register 16 million. They what here? And no, they meaning we nyadwi. But the most important thing I person me reason say registration where a koso. Me ko ranso no. Me who say most of the people omo nfa boga enye swan yes and say omo nim they don't even care say your yarea sabi ewo ho ya ka say men ben nipa. Sometimes you go to a registration center now who said the way they are crowded at the point around Bochi electoral area ewo Ablukuma Central one of the rounds me take me time approach electorate voters no catch you say sabi mushe as for voting there but you need to leave before say obetimi atuaba na sabi say yare oho na ya catch you na unim na ya catch you say the only way out to prevent say yare no enchi you say you stand at a distance. Maybe Mika and Obi catch and say, say my share nose mask. Yeah, now you share nose mask. Mika and say, wearing of the nose mask, and yeah, proof free, say, to me, it only lessen the risk of infection. So, here said, all the protocols are, ya can say, men ben, men you say wash your hand. These are things that it's a uya ebetime aboye. But sabi ukasa, and it's important say as individuals we need to be responsible. It's not always say aban betime ateki steps say oh wow aban beye nafa, but you as an individual, your life is in your hand. Una sabi say adia nu kochiwa una ube suffer aban de oho. But the most critical aspect of this issue no say me hu signboard bi eye mampeni nanado signboard na signboard no ya choro mu say it is my duty and responsibility to protect you or protect your life, and I'm just doing that or doing so ewo black away no billboard no so. Now if indeed it is so, I think that certain measures are omampeni are taken at a point, you know, there are measures be wa take now. I think that I will commend him, but at a certain point what the sa niamanu edi to afana or share the political angle.
Oh no way.
But
come on, me also.
Also political angle no initially no say obana obe now so was see I relied on data and science and sana me take a decision. Another pronouncement or no say yedim ekwan ebetime afaso na ye the economy no say kura ye di meba ye betime aye no ye, but ye nim ekwan ebetime afaso nipa awawu aye di no beba back wankasa. All these are to encourage people to show say he remains committed in ensuring say we protecting lives and property. But at the end of the day ebe drew time bia or kasa science any data bill, and he lifted the lockdown under the excuse say wa consulting nipa and sana omu oyeye enu na GMA for APA
your car registration.
Registration, we are doing the registration in the midst of COVID.
Oh my God.
So me can say anka sabio oye that signboard no say no kure say wajia tum say na said say unprotected nipa. Then I don't think that it is right to push the agenda for this new register even to come for in the first place. What kind of statement are
this new register? Have we not gone beyond it?
What kind of statement are over 200 plus doctors are actually Jemensa?
Look, Alaji, let us not kid ourselves. Some doctors know what say NDC for. You know them. Me, look, let me show you an example. Professor Anthony Mauli Sala. Tobo meba.
Ukasa.
Meba Tobo.
Alaji
Tobo. Mamen Kasa.
Okay.
Professor Anthony Mauli Sala. Mauli Sala.
NDC ni mapa.
Onye board chairman Okolebu.
NDC.
Ochrema de. Biso obi oko GIJ say. So onim Professor Anthony Mauli Sala.
Okay.
When biom pa was alles no so NDC.
Okasa me say unka nukure. Adikura me kan say unka nukure ni say. Studio ha. Me ba studio ha. Me ni Jamfare, I can't say mo former women
Zempare, George Zempare.
Mudi lawyer be baha. And I insisted to know, say, or representing MPP and now representing neutral. Muka say or neutral. Sa danu ye discussi commenter John Dramani Mama ye say ye can say men ye register now Jemensa say 1 T. Now okoya na BBC oya onua. And you brought that guy here as neutral.
You've had lawyer Kwakwamo.
But when him say MPP needs Adano. And he came and spoke on behalf of the MPP. But you represent him to the public as a neutral.
So is that why you also got doctors who belong to NDC to write that?
No.
Come on, let him finish.
He was telling me, say, Omuye NDC for.
Come on, let him finish. I have time for him, don't worry.
NDC for Omuye Togolese. omu ye Ghana for
oh afraid of me NDC for
I mean me can story no me can letter no
Alaji unim bibi
but you see to present say
na ye din komo ma me nka bi
na ala say o ma me flow near me there
me am time wo ye kra maji
oji okay
unim sa lawyer na asem na wo ka no
ayi
me invite nipa and me till date me nim say sa lawyer kwaku amono or a card bearer member of MPP and be atisa. Relax.
My friend was then two several.
Relax. And my inviting Nipano. Knowing that this is a neutral person. And I met you. Met you in submissions. And I have my reservations about that. If he said I wouldn't necessarily help you.
I mean the first time I share to me my raise objection.
And I say if he said that one thing
na o MPP ni because me share no one
see I say maybe say unyi man if he said that one thing on platform
say that no frame or harder
oh hey if he said that
if he said that no frame or
alaji enko eni wonu masa
issue no dey say
wonu masa
we get what challenge yeah gusu and I think that there's some civility in what is going on in terms of registration no but yanya few areas who say bambofo no sabi yesra omo duty and responsibility is to the state not a political party that is in power because mu yesa a shared nipa bufo na sabi says aban sisa all of you who seems to be used intimidate others you will be marked and then you become a target of probably ABA you ADC BB you ABA unya kura MPP ni but because of somebody's interest
but doctors there you know we all know some nyana some NDC for you wow
I am telling you say minim
and also boy onka no
what you say me chantro minimum
I mean chantro
I mean minimum
I know them and I'm telling you they are NDC people I am
saying that I don't know them me I don't know them as NDC
anyway move on voter registration and matters arising
me say me say me NDC ni metima yi me card because bebrewa NDC card different metima chira
me say mama example say
but o man ka chira e wi ase say
to boase mama example say Professor Anthony Mauli Sala papa no me wo chire ma dey school nyabotre Anthony Mauli Sala one any Anthony Mauli no nya board chema okolebu mama no nya board chema okolebu
we Koku Sechiado o MPP ni
meaning
o your board chairman
me
but so be a board chairman NDC
I know Mauli Sala better than
you are using because we are board chairman e wo Kolebu as a basis Koku Sechiado we are board chairman I can't say Papa host to Metro TV Good Evening Ghana we are member of the board MPP ni
meaning
unim
ente unim aka
unim say omunya MPP before
meaning so omunya MPP before
but I mean they are Good Evening Ghana Paul Adumochi
where they
so a board member NCA MPP ni
meaning
another thing that we saw be board member
because
as a basis
to make us apart from say Professor Mauli Sala Chirema now a board chairman of Kolebunu I know him he knows he's an NDC he has card he's a card bearer member of NDC
can you minim say wu nchontro kan kure
we never be wa was nchontro and I was nchontro
kan kure say Koku Sechiado wonya MPP ni
menim Koku Sechiado so MPP ni
unim ba we board chairman NCA unim
menim so board chairman but
unim say we board chairman
but menim so MPP
na wo GDS say MPP Danado be appoint obi a onya MPP ni
very good and who so GDS John Mama be appoint obi a onya NDC this onko head Kolebu John Mama appoint obi a onya NDC ni there are evidence Sule Garba me my example Sule Garba who is Sule Garba
or appointing as presidential staffer later he appointed him as a Canadian ambassador to Canada Sule Garba now or a PNC ni
yo mate
Well, Cardinal.
So like Garba.
No, wait. Registration and matters are right.
Registration no equals to, but there's a huge intimidation. Bibi kakra na ya free police for. Now 3 days ago at Gidamba Karanta, Ablikwan Central. Na mi wo. Me who battalions of policemen, including the regional police commander. But Omuka say Omu call rounds. But the number is too intimidating. Where's her? What the Esro shared Ghana for? We have a proper and civilized way of dealing with some of this issue. Obiba, when you have a question about that person, you see for challenge form. Ufa challenge form no. And remember, he who alleges must prove. Say who challenge me say me ye Ghana niya. Enye mi na me kwa ko prove say me ye Ghana ni. Who are challenge you know?
So na unim.
Una who challenge it. And so people should be mindful of that. So who challenge ya? Enya say ube kita klata HSM minya Ghana ni.
Anyway.
So me e call review no. Na omo committee no be bisa say ya challenge you based on your age. You see 1D 18 years. Who birth certificate wahi. Anybody who is challenged based on age, birth certificate, don't produce it, don't give it to the person. Let the one who challenge bring the birth certificate to prove.
If you are not
under 18,
if you are not able to produce it, you may lose your card. You may lose
he
it.
who alleges must prove. Onua or challenge say 1D 18. Kana onua or challenge say 1D 18. Onona odi krata be kire say 1D 18.
Mate.
Enya me wa challenge me we ka tell say
anyway
krata bra. In any case, you see birth certificate kula is needless per the electoral commission mo ankasa almost
This FM 104.3 Would you mean